Hi, did you miss me? No? Irrelevant. Stock market's crashing today? Irrelevant. Let's take a look at the charts because you know what's going on. I was swimming in the pool and finally what I expected that would happen just happened. The American stock market is looking very bad. Get together all the news that you've been seeing, big banks, major companies, fund managers saying that we were going to have a huge crash on the stock markets and all. Ignore the FUD. The purpose of this video is let you know where is the dip, when do you buy it all back again, because that's what you need to do. You have to buy the fucking dip this time, and I'm telling you, do not get scared with all the news, because there's just bullshit to deviate your attention, make you poor, make them rich. But we have to be smart. Okay, so let's take a look at the charts now. All right. Actually, let me start with what's going on all over the world today. So this is a very bad day for all the stocks, indexes, major, all across the world. Okay, so Germany, France are everywhere. Italy, Japan, everybody is in red. Okay. What's going on? Money is flowing out of the stock markets. Are we getting to a bear market? Is it the end? Are we doomed? Everybody that has like shares, stocks, cryptocurrencies, are we all fucked? Are you on the red now, my friend? Normal. Okay, you can never be on the green all the time if you're a trader. The thing is knowing when to get out of your position, avoiding capitulation. Do I have some altcoins that are below my entry price? Yeah, they're staked. They're making passive income, and we could see that the RSI or for the Bitcoin was giving us signs. Let me show you right here. Come on. That we were going to take a little bit of a nosedive right here. It was going down when the price was just going sideways. The RSI was making lower lows. And this was very clear that we would take a little bit of a dump. So what did I do? Hedging position, and I'm going to explain you why I'm not so scared with this move on the SP500 and on Bitcoin today. Okay, taking a look at 12-hour volume wave exhaustion sign on the selling pressure. Okay, the price spread just moving accordingly, and also exhausted. Okay, it's just bursted this band here. The band is going down, as you can see right here. Look at that. This band here was just going up and it's starting to go down. This is a lot of selling pressure. Okay, this movement was was abrupt, and every time we see an abrupt move on every asset, you're going to see a little bit of an opposite force going on. So right now we're just people are just like buying the dip. But the thing is to know if this is a dip or if we can just dive further. Okay, so let's take a look at a very important thing right now, because this is where all the food is coming from. All the banks that you are seeing all over JP Morgan and everything saying that we're just going to have a huge crash on the stock markets, etc. But let me show you how people are taking profits right here. Okay, this is happening smoothly. Okay, this is a profit taken right here. This is a profit taken. This, and that. Okay, so this move right here is a little bit of something. First of all, we're just seeing like things that looks like V shapes, like this. Okay, so right now we're just forming, like we're just bending. Okay, and as I told you before, when you see this channel being formed, okay, an indicator that can form a channel for you automatically. You don't have to keep looking for them every time. So when you see that this is bending, this is forming a topping, uh look for the levels of support. Okay, so right now in my chart we're seeing a major level of support here. What can happen? As I said before, I think that we can see sort of a movement that's going to drag us slowly down for a little bit. If that happens, it means for Bitcoin that we're going to see lower levels. So what did I do? What's my situation right now? I have a short on Ethereum. that goes from right here, these levels here. I've shorted Ethereum here. I shorted Bitcoin right here, and I'm just going to leave it because I'm holding some altcoins that are below my entry level. Do I care? Absolutely not. Because crude oil is just where it should be, $70 a barrel. Okay, so this is crude oil. Take a look at that. This is not scary. This is not scaring me. This is not scaring me because this is what I keep my eyes on. Another thing, this is the Dixie. Okay, so when do you know that bear market's coming? You will know why, because you will see the Dixie going up like a bitch when that happens. When we're ready to see that happening, and you will see money going to bonds. Why? Because the trillions and the billions will flow to more stable investments, and most stable investment and safe investment for when you expect the currency to get stronger is the bonds, because then you have positive interest rates and you will make a lot of money. If you have trillions and billions to put somewhere, you will go to the bonds. And right now the bonds are just going sideways, but have your eyes open. I saw a very smart guy saying 3 months ago, when we were breaking up from this triangle that everybody thought we were going down, he said get out of cryptocurrencies now. He's looking like it's not looking very good. Why? Because we just did that. A lot of people made money, but guys and girls, we may see lower levels on Bitcoin. So I'm keeping my shorts open. And I think that we may even get trapped on this channel again. Okay, so take a look at this red channel right here. We may get trapped in it. We may drag ourselves slowly. This can be a triangle right here. If we touch this bottom right here, 32,000, people will say this is the end. Bitcoin, we're going to $10,000. We're going to, but see that this is forming a triangle right here that eventually will break up to insane levels. All right, so $35,000 Bitcoin will make me scared. That's where I will probably close my short position, get some profits, and open long positions. If you see $30,000 Bitcoin, just please buy. Because let me go just take a look at the macro chart that I've made. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? So many charts, I'm getting lost. Okay, okay, this macro chart, this is not my art. Okay, I copied that from a guy that whose name I don't know, was watching in an interview. So this is a logarithm price action for Bitcoin, and as you can see, this guy, he just traced those arcs right here, right? And you can see that is following beautifully. So do we have, look at how much space we have to go to exactly the levels that I'm telling you. This is like $35,000 right here. Okay, so let me zoom in. This is very meaningful. This is very important. Okay, to keep following in this arc, we may see 40,000, even 35,000, and then we may see $200 Bitcoin, okay, in a very short term. This yellow line will tend to be rejected, so we may go above $100,000 per Bitcoin before we see a major crash that can put us you know, lower, maybe on the levels that we are right now. Because accordingly to this chart here, so this yellow lines I've traced myself, every time we break, okay, we break them and we find we touch these this crossings right here. I don't know the name of this geometry figure in English. We tend to find support on the previous orange yellow line right here. So in the event of we're breaking up and getting rejected, we will just go and touch the 58, even $52,000 Bitcoin, which is where we should, where we touch it right now. So people will say that Bitcoin is just going to $30,000 level again, but no, I don't think so. So what can happen right here? What's the what's the logic thing that for that to happen? This, okay. So I'm extremely bullish on cryptocurrencies and all the other projects that you see. And oh, hey, this is a very good project. This is a very interesting Solana, Polygon, Cardano, or whatever that you find on the blockchain. Blockchain technology is a very good thing to buy, especially when it's a good project and it's cheap. Um, so yeah, what else do I have to say? Bad day. I'm going to give a shot longing the SP500 right now. Okay, so SP500 ETF, just going there. And I'm going to open a long position with 100 highs on it. And okay, let's see where we're going. I'm long on the S&P 500, guys. I'm positive that crude oil is not losing its support. Okay, and we're going to see things getting beautiful from here. Okay, so just beware. Okay, beware because we may get trapped in this triangle formation here. But overall, the situation is good. Remember my last video? Did I put that video online? No, I did not. But yeah, I was counting on we getting on that triangle formation right here. So this is going to be my opportunity for everybody. So beware, get ready and trade safely. And that's it. Bye.